Today, we embark on a journey to conquer the often daunting task of living on a fixed income. But fear not, for we are not alone in this quest. Together, we will explore the secrets and strategies of budgeting and saving like never before. Imagine a world where your income is no longer a constraint, but rather a stepping stone to financial freedom. A place where the idea of a fixed income is nothing but a myth, as we discover creative ways to hack our expenses and maximize our earning potential. This video will uncover the hidden gems of frugality, from the art of budgeting to the science of saving. We'll delve into the nitty-gritty of tracking your expenses and creating a personalized budget that works for you. And we'll explore unconventional ways to cut costs and save money without sacrificing your quality of life. So join us on this thrilling adventure as we uncover the secrets to living a frugal yet fulfilling life on a fixed income. Are you ready to unlock the true potential of your finances? Let's begin. Understanding your income and expenses. Let us now delve into the depths of understanding your income and expenses, the foundation of any successful frugal living journey. Think of your income as the lifeblood of your finances and your expenses as the leeches that suck it dry. To truly master the art of frugality, we must first understand the flow of this lifeblood and identify where it is being depleted. One way to do this is by creating a budget, a map of your financial journey. This will allow you to see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. But budgeting is not just about cutting back. It's also about finding ways to increase your income. This could be through a side hustle, a part-time job, or even negotiating a raise. The key is to find ways to make your income work harder for you. Another important step is to track your expenses. This can be done by keeping a log of all your spending or by using apps or software that will do it for you. It's important to know where your money is going so you can make informed decisions on where to cut back. In short, to truly master the art of frugality, we must first understand the flow of our income and expenses and identify where we can make adjustments. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work, creating a budget that works for you. When it comes to budgeting, one size does not fit all. Each individual has unique financial needs, and it's important to find a budgeting method that caters to those needs. Enter the world of budgeting methods, where the possibilities are endless. From the classic 50-30-20 rule to the more unconventional zero-based budgeting, the key is to find the method that works best for you. For instance, the 50-30-20 rule suggests allocating 50 of your income for necessities, 30 for wants, and 20 for savings and debt repayments, while the zero-based budgeting method, which involves allocating every dollar of your income to a specific category, from savings to debt repayment and everything in between. It's important to remember that budgeting is not a one-time task. It's an ongoing process. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget as needed is crucial to keeping your finances on track. Let's not forget the power of flexibility, as unexpected expenses can happen to anyone. That's why it's important to have a buffer, a small reserve of cash to cover unexpected expenses. In conclusion, creating a budget that works for you is a process of experimentation, adaptation, and consistency. It's all about finding the right method, sticking to it, and making adjustments as needed. Now, let's turn those numbers into a budget that works for you. Cutting costs and saving money. The art of cutting costs, where frugality meets creativity. The key to saving money is to find ways to reduce expenses without sacrificing the things that matter most to you. Let's start by taking a closer look at the bills that drain our wallets dry. From cable and internet to cell phone and insurance, there are countless opportunities to negotiate and lower these expenses. Another way to cut costs is to review and cancel any subscriptions or memberships that you no longer use or need. These small expenses can add up quickly, and canceling them can make a significant impact on your budget. Shopping for deals and using coupons can also make a big difference in your budget. From grocery shopping to buying clothes, taking the time to find the best deals can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. When it comes to saving money, it's also important to have a plan for the future. Building an emergency fund and saving for long-term goals can give you peace of mind and prepare you for any financial emergencies or life events. In conclusion, Cutting costs and saving money is a game of strategy and creativity. By being mindful of your expenses, negotiating bills, cutting out subscriptions, and shopping for deals, you can make a significant impact on your budget. Let's start playing the game and winning at saving money, maximizing earnings. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the world of maximizing earnings, where we turn our fixed income into a fountain of wealth. You see, the key to financial freedom is not just about cutting costs, but also about increasing income. And there are countless ways to do this, from side hustles to freelance work. The opportunities are endless. For instance, if you have a passion or a skill, why not turn it into a side hustle? From tutoring to photography, the internet has made it easier than ever to monetize your talents. Another way to increase income is through freelance work. The gig economy is on the rise, and the demand for skilled professionals is higher than ever. From graphic design to writing, there are countless opportunities to earn money on a project basis. Don't forget the power of negotiation, whether it's asking for a raise at your current job or negotiating a higher rate for your freelance work. Remember, your time and skills are valuable, and you deserve to be compensated accordingly. In conclusion, maximizing earnings is a game of creativity, strategy, and boldness. By turning your talents and skills into a side hustle, taking on freelance work, or even negotiating for a raise, you can turn your fixed income into a fountain of wealth. So let's tap into that fountain and start earning more. Tackling debt. The elephant in the room, debt. But fear not, for we shall tackle this beast head on and come out victorious. You see, debt is like a ball and chain that weighs us down and hinders our financial progress. But with the right strategies and mindset, we can break free from its grip. First things first, let's prioritize paying off high-interest debt as soon as possible. This could be credit card debt, personal loans, or any other form of debt that is charging you exorbitant interest rates. The longer you wait to pay it off, the more it will cost you in the long run. Another strategy to consider is consolidating or refinancing debt. This could involve taking out a personal loan or a balance transfer credit card to pay off multiple debts at once. This can simplify the repayment process and potentially lower your interest rate. Creating a debt repayment plan is also crucial. This could involve setting a budget, cutting costs, and increasing income to make extra payments on your debt. It's important to stick to the plan and make adjustments as needed. In conclusion, tackling debt is a game of strategy, discipline, and determination. By prioritizing high-interest debt, consolidating or refinancing, creating a debt repayment plan, and sticking to it, we can break free from the ball and chain of debt and reach financial freedom. So let's roll up our sleeves and start tackling that debt. Investing for the future. You see, investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to secure their financial future. And with a fixed income, it's important to find low-risk investment options that align with your financial goals. For instance, savings accounts, CDs, and government bonds are all low-risk investment options that can provide a steady stream of income over time. And with the power of compound interest, your money can grow at a steady pace, even on a fixed income. Another way to invest is through a financial advisor who can help you create a personalized investment plan based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It's important to research and choose a financial advisor who is a good fit for you. In conclusion, investing for the future is a game of planning, patience, and prudence. By finding low-risk investment options such as savings accounts, CDs, and government bonds, and working with a financial advisor, you can create a personalized investment plan that aligns with your financial goals and secure your financial future. So, let's start investing for the future and watch our money grow. Mindset and attitude. Welcome to the realm of mindset and attitude, where the power of positivity can turn frugal living into a fulfilling journey. You see, a positive mindset and attitude are essential when it comes to living on a fixed income. It can be easy to become overwhelmed and discouraged when dealing with financial constraints, but a positive mindset can help you stay motivated and focused on achieving your goals. One way to maintain a positive attitude is to celebrate small wins and progress. Instead of dwelling on the things you can't afford, focus on the things you can and celebrate the small victories along the way. Another way to maintain a positive attitude is to surround yourself with supportive people who understand and support your financial goals. Whether it's friends, family, or a financial support group, it's important to have a support system in place to help you stay motivated and on track. It's also important to take care of yourself, both physically and mentally. Financial stress can take a toll on your overall well-being, so it's important to make time for self-care and activities that bring you joy. In conclusion, the mindset and attitude are essential when it comes to frugal living on a fixed income. By celebrating small wins, surrounding yourself with supportive people, and taking care of yourself both physically and mentally, you can turn frugal living into a fulfilling journey. So let's start cultivating a positive mindset and attitude and make frugal living a way of life. And so our journey of frugal living on a fixed income comes to an end. But the knowledge and strategies we've gained will remain with us as we continue to navigate the ever-changing world of finances. We've explored the art and science of budgeting and saving, from tracking expenses to cutting costs and maximizing earnings. We've also delved into the world of debt repayment, investment, and the importance of mindset and attitude. The key takeaways from this journey are simple yet powerful. To live a frugal yet fulfilling life on a fixed income, we must first understand our income and expenses, create a budget that works for us, and continuously make adjustments as needed. We must also learn to be creative and resourceful when it comes to cutting costs, maximizing earnings, and investing for the future. And above all, we must cultivate a positive mindset and attitude to keep us motivated and focused on our financial goal. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs, to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.